This is the EnerTracker package, which contains the following: one monitor, one gateway, which also serves as a calibration device, two power cords, two antennae, an Ethernet cord, along with the user's manual. Prior to installing the monitor, please take a look at your power panel. The power panel should have a plastic conduit running out of it. Make sure there is enough space for the monitor. Please also ensure that there is a power outlet nearby, as it is needed to power the monitor. You also need to check if the monitor and its sensors can fit the conduit tightly. To adjust the sensors, release the screws on the base of the sensors first, and then adjust the width between the sensors. Fasten the screws when the distance between the sensors is proper. Finally, the strip can be tightened as shown here. In this illustration, the monitor is installed. It must be fastened so that the monitor remains at the same position at all times. After fastening the monitor, mount one of the two antennae. Then connect the power cord. The monitor will be energized and you will see the red and green lights turn on. It is important to bind or tie loose wires so that they do not interfere with the operation of the monitor. The monitor needs to be calibrated after its installation. It is useful to understand that there are two conductors supplying power to your house. One conductor is on the left, and the other is on the right-hand side of the panel. The monitor must be calibrated twice, once for each conductor. Please take a note of the locations indicated on both sides of the panel, as calibration is done at these locations. To begin calibration, first mount the gateway with its antennae and connect the power cord. During the calibration period, please avoid turning on or off any additional appliances or switches. We're now ready to begin calibrating the monitor. To calibrate the left conductor, find a power outlet associated with the left side of the panel and plug the gateway into the outlet. Press the calibration button. The phase 1 pass green indicator will turn on. This completes the first part of the calibration. Process. Please unplug the gateway and take note of the outlet in case you may use it in the future. Now let's calibrate the right conductor. To do this, you will need to find a power outlet associated with the right side of the panel. The location information recorded earlier comes in handy for these outlets. For example, if the living room is indicated on the panel, you can plug the gateway to any outlet of the living room. Press the calibration button. If done correctly, the phase 1 pass and phase 2 pass green lights will turn on. The calibration process is now done. It is possible that you will see the phase 1 pass and warning indicators turn on instead. This means that the outlet used for calibration is not powered by the right-hand side of the panel. Thus, you need to find the correct outlet. We suggest you try different rooms in your house based on information shown on the panel. Note that you need to wait 1 minute between two calibration attempts. Please be patient, as you may need to try multiple outlets. During the calibration process, the warning indicator alone may turn on. This means that there is a communication problem. In this case, you need to change location and repeat the process. The warning indicator may also flash. This means it has been less than 1 minute since your previous calibration attempt. Please wait a moment before pressing the calibration button again. Your EnerTracker is almost ready. The last step is to place the gateway near your internet router and power it up. You then connect the gateway to one of the router's jacks using the Ethernet cable. The EnerTracker hardware is now set up. Your EnerTracker should now be working. You can find the energy tracking results from the EnerTracker website. Here's the first page of the website for you to set up an account. After creating an account, you can use your username and password to access the website. It normally takes about 3 minutes to see results after connecting the gateway to the router.